Did you know that changing how you pronounce just one letter in the Quran can completely change meaning of the word? Not the tone, the actual meaning. That's how precise Arabic pronunciation is. And that's exactly what we are going to fix, one letter at a time, starting today. Assalamu alaikum, I am Mahmoud Juma and I have been teaching Arabic and Quran for 4 years. On this channel I'm going to walk you through every single Arabic letter, where it comes from in your mouth, how to pronounce it correctly, and the mistake that almost every beginners make. This is the exact foundation I teach my own student, and I'm giving it to you for free. So let's start with the most important word you'll hear in this series, makhraj. It simply means place of articulation, where a letter is produced in your mouth or throat. Arabic has letters that comes from your throat, your tongue, your lips, even your nose, and every single one has an exact spot. Here's why this matters so much. In English, if you mispronounce a letter, people still understand you. But in Arabic, especially in Quran, some letters are the only difference between two completely different words. Get the spot wrong and you might saying a different word entirely without realizing it. Quick example, the letters and ha, they sound similar to a beginner's ears, but ha comes from deep in throat with a soft breath, while ha comes from the middle of the throat with more friction. Say them side by side, ha, 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 ha. Small difference, big impact on meaning. This is exactly the kind of distinction you will cover. Letter by letter, throat letters, lung, tongue letters, lip letters, until your pronunciation is precise, not just close enough. Over the next video, we will go through the throat letters, the tongue letters, tip, middle, and back, the lip letters, and the mistake non-native speakers make most often. By the end, you'll be able to hear a letter and know exactly how to produce this correctly, not guess. Now, watching videos will get you far. But pronunciation is one of the most things where a second pair of ears make all the difference. I can hear things in your recitations that are hard to catch on your own. So if you'd like personal feedback, I'm offering a free trial lesson. Just click the link in the description below to book in. No pressure, just chance to see where you are and to get direct correction from me. In the next video, we'll map out all 5 places for articulation so you have full picture before we go letter by letter. Hit subscribe so you don't miss all, and I'll see you there. Assalamu alaikum.